Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to start practice set 7.2. Practice set 7.2 question number 1. Plot the point A 30, B 33, C 03 on graph paper. We have to plot this point on the graph paper. How to plot the point on a graph paper in a coordinate system we discussed in previous lecture, that is in practice set 7.1. We have to plot these 3 points A, B, C on a graph paper. Then join A, B, B, C. What is the figure form? Then you have to join A, B and B, C. After join, then you have to decide which type of figure is formed. Okay. So let's start the solution. We discussed already how to plot the points. So plot this point, these 3 points. After plotting, the figure you get is nothing but the square. Here A point is 30, that means point A lies on x-axis. Point B 33, this point lies in first quadrant. Then point C 03 is, this point is lies on y-axis as its x coordinate is 0. After joining A, B and B, C, we get the figure is square. Okay. So the answer is the figure formed by joining segment A, B and B, C is square. Okay. Next question number 2. Write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units from its left side. Okay. We have to write the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay. Now the question is how we can decide which type of equation is parallel to y-axis. Equation of x variable is parallel to y-axis and equation of y is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So the question is we have to write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. So always x equation is x is equal to a type of equation. Always practice set 7.2. Always x is equal to a type of equations are parallel to y-axis. A may be any number. A is any number. A any number. So x is equal to a type of equation is parallel to y-axis. Okay. Now here we have to write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. So if the equation is parallel to y-axis, then the equation is x is equal to a. But here a is the distance. A is nothing but the distance in a coordinate system. Here the distance is 7 units from left. Okay. The distance is 7 units from left. From left hand side the 7 unit is minus. On x-axis the left hand side numbers are coordinates are negative and right hand side coordinates are positive. So here the distance is 7 from left hand side. So, equation of a line y-axis a distance of 7 from left hand side. So from left hand side the distance is minus 7. So the equation of the line is x is equal to minus 7. Okay. Remember this concept, x is equal to a type of equations are always parallel to y-axis. A means nothing but the distance. Okay. If the distance is in place of a, just we have to substitute the distance. So x is equal to a type of equation is parallel to y-axis. Here the distance is here the distance is 7 from left hand side. So on x-axis the left hand side numbers are negative. So here a is minus 7. So therefore the equation is x is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now the next question is, write the equation of a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. Okay. So y is equal to b type of equations are parallel to x-axis. Okay. Y is equal to b types of equations are parallel to x-axis. B is any number. Okay. So here distance from x-axis is 5 from its below. So on y-axis the below numbers are negative. So that means b is nothing but minus 5. So b is minus 5. So therefore the equation is y is equal to minus 5. Got it? So remember this concept. x is equal to a types of equation are parallel to y-axis and y is equal to b types of equations are parallel to x-axis. Here a and b is nothing but the distance. Okay. So on x-axis left numbers are negative and right hand side coordinates are positive. On y-axis the above x-axis numbers are positive and below x-axis numbers are negative. So in third question we have to write the equation of a line parallel to x-axis. That means the equation is y is equal to b. But the distance is 5 units from below. So below the x-axis numbers are negative. So b is nothing but minus 5. So therefore your answer is y is equal to minus 5. Got it? Next question number 4. The point Q minus 3 lies on the line parallel to y-axis. So write the equation of a line and draw its graph. Okay. The point 3 minus 2. Question number 4. Q minus 3 minus 2 lies on a line parallel to y-axis. This point lies on a line which is parallel to y-axis. So write the equation of a line and draw its graph. So the line is parallel to the y-axis. The equation is nothing but x is equal to a. Okay. So here x coordinate is minus 3. So the equation is x is equal to minus 3. We have to plot this equation. Okay. In a coordinate system, draw the coordinate system and plot this equation. This is a coordinate system. X-axis, this is y-axis, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Here the numbers are negative. X-axis left side numbers are negative. On right side numbers are positive. On y-axis, above x-axis numbers are positive and below numbers are negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here the 0. Okay. We have to draw the graph of equation x is equal to minus 3. So see here x is equal to minus 3 is here. So this is your point. And the equation is parallel to y-axis. So draw a line parallel to y-axis passing this point. So this is the equation of x is equal to minus 3. See the point Q lies on minus 3, minus 2. So here the point Q is lies. Got it? Okay. So this is your question number 4. Next is question number 5. Y-axis and a line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? You know that x is equal to, question number 5. Here y-axis and x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. So x is equal to a types of equation are parallel to y-axis. Okay. You know that the x is equal to a type of equation are parallel to y-axis. So here x is equal to minus 4 is also parallel to y-axis. Then the question is, what is the distance between them? So the distance between them is nothing but the 4 unit, because the equation x is equal to minus 4. See here, minus 4 lies here. Okay. So distance from y-axis to minus 4 is nothing but 4 unit. So your answer is 4 unit. Right answer 4 unit. Okay. Got it? Now next, question number 6. Question number 6 is, which of the given equation below have graph parallel to x-axis and which one have graph parallel to y-axis? Okay. Which equation's graph is parallel to x-axis and which equation graph is parallel to y-axis? The first one is x is equal to 3. Okay. As I told you, x is equal to a type of equations are parallel to y-axis. So your answer is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Now the second is y minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore y is equal to 2. So y is equal to b type of equations are parallel to x axis. So here answer is parallel to x axis. Okay. Now next third one is x plus 6 is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to minus 6. Again x is equal to a types of equations are parallel to y axis. So your answer is parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. Okay. Now the number fourth is y is equal to 5. So you know that y is equal to b types of equation are parallel to x axis. So your answer is parallel to x axis. Okay. So in all these 3-4 questions you have to remember x is equal to a types of equation. X is equal to a types of equations are parallel to y axis, and y is equal to b types of equations are parallel to x axis. Here a and b are nothing but their distance. Okay. So x is equal to any number, b is equal to maybe any number. If the equation in this form, that means x is equal to a and y is equal to b. If the equation in the form of x is equal to a, x is equal to maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, then it is parallel to y axis. If the equation is y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any one, then this equation is parallel to x axis. So this type of equation is parallel to y axis and this type of equations are parallel to x axis. So that's why x is equal to 3 is parallel to y axis, y is equal to 2 is parallel to x axis, and x is equal to 6 is parallel to y axis, and y is equal to 5 is parallel to x axis. Okay. So this is your question number 6. Question number 7. Plot the points 2a, 2, 3, b, 6, minus 1 and c, 0, 5 on the graph paper. If these points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinate of points and which the line intersect the x-axis and y-axis. In this question, we have to plot these 3 points A, B, C. Then keep the scale on these 3 points. If these 3 points lies in the same line, then draw the line. This shows that these points are collinear. Okay. Then see this line which you draw by passing these 3 points. It's intersect on x-axis and y-axis at one point. Write the coordinate of that point. Okay. So plot these 3 points. Point A, 2, 3 lies in first quadrant. Point B, 6, minus 1. 6, minus 1 lies in fourth quadrant, plus minus. Then point C, 0, 5 is lies on y-axis. Okay. After joining, you get a line. That means these 3 points are collinear. And this line intersect x-axis at 0, 5. X-axis, this point in this line intersect x-axis at 5, 0, that, and y-axis at 0, 5. Okay. So your answer, the line is collinear. The points are collinear and the line intersect x-axis at 5, 0 and y-axis at 0, 5. Okay. Now next question number 8. Draw the graph of the following equation on the same coordinate system. Write the coordinate of their point of intersection. Here in this question we have to plot the graph that of this equation. This equation are one variable equation. The first one is x plus 4 equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 4. Let's solve this type of equation. So x is equal to a type of equation is parallel to y-axis. Now the second one is 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So solve it. So therefore 2x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to 1.5. Okay. Now the third one is 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. 3y minus 15 equal to 0. Solve it. 3y is equal to 15. So y is equal to 15 divided by 3. So y is equal to 5. So your first equation is x is equal to 4. So x is equal to type of equation is parallel to y axis. Second equation is x is equal to 1.5. X is equal to type of equation is parallel to y axis. Y is equal to 5. Third one is y is equal to 5. So y is equal to type of equation is parallel to x axis. Now we have to plot the coordinate system. Then we have to draw the graph of these three equations. So let's draw the coordinate system. In exam you have to plot the graph on graph paper. Okay. This is your coordinate system. Write the scale. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Okay. So this is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. Write the coordinate. These numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. This minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, so on. Now let's start the plot of the graph of the equation. First is x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 is here. X is equal to a type of equation is parallel to y-axis. Okay. So draw a line parallel to y-axis passing this point. This is nothing but the equation of x is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now the second one, x is equal to 1.5. 1.5 is positive. So 1.5 lies here. Okay. Again x is equal to a type of equation is parallel to y-axis. So draw a line parallel to y-axis. So this is the equation of x is equal to 1.5. Okay. Now the third one is y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 is here. Y is equal to b type of equation is parallel to x-axis. So this type of equation is parallel to x-axis. So draw a line parallel to x-axis. This is nothing but the equation is y is equal to 5. So here we plot the graph of all the three equations. Then we have to, one more is y minus 1 is 0. One equation is missing here, that is number 2. This is number 3. This equation is number 3. This equation is number 4. Number 2 is missing here. So see here, number 2 equation is y minus 1 equal to 0. That means y is equal to 1. Okay. Again y is equal to b type of equation is parallel to x-axis. So see y is equal to 1 lies here, y1. So y equal to type of equation is parallel to x-axis. So draw a line parallel to x-axis passing this point. This is nothing but the equation of y is equal to 1. Okay. So here we plot all the equation in the coordinate system. X is equal to minus 4. Second, x is equal to 1.5. See here. Next, y is equal to 5. Okay. And y is equal to 1. Y equal to type of equation parallel to x-axis. X is equal to type of equation parallel to y-axis. Now the next part of the question, write the coordinate of their point of intersection. Now this, see the point of intersection here, the two lines are intersection. Point of intersection 1, 2, 3, 4. Point of intersection is nothing but the points where the 2, 3 lines are intersected each other. To the next part, that is question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 is, draw the graph of the equations given below. We have to draw the graph of this equation. The first one is x plus y is equal to 2. Second is 3x minus y is equal to 0, and the third one is 2x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. Now what is the difference of this equation and this? These are the one variable equation and these are the two variable equation. That is the difference. Okay. In question number 8, the equations are one variable. In question number 9, the equations are two variable. Okay. So to plot the graph of the equation of plot the graph of one variable is very easy. If the equation is x equal to type, then it's parallel to y axis. If the equations are y is equal to type, then it's parallel to x axis. Okay. But this type of equation here, the two variables are there. Okay. And it's not easy to find the value of two variables simultaneously. Okay. So to solve this, to solve this type of equation, you have to choose any one variable value by own. By substituting that value, you can find the value of other variable. For example, if I choose the variable value x is 0, then we get y is equal to 2. That means if x is equal to 0 we take, then y value we get 2. If we choose x value is 1, then we get y value 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. That means what I want to say, to find the value of two variables in same equation, we have to take the value of one variable by own. By substituting that value, then you can find the value of another variable. Okay. So let's start the solution. The first one is x plus y is equal to 2. Draw this type of table. Okay. This is x variable, this is y variable, this is xy coordinate. Okay. Xy coordinate. So here I am taking x value as 0 and 1 and 2. And now by substituting the value of x, we can find the value of y. So if I take x value, then the equation we can arrange y is equal to 2 minus x. Okay. Because x value we take by own and we have to find the value of y. So y is nothing but 2 minus x. So first one, y is equal to 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So y value is 2. Okay. Now the second, y is equal to 2 minus 1. Okay. Now next value is 1. So that means y is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Now the third one is y is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. If we take x value is 0, then you get y 2. Okay. If we take y value, x value as 1, then we get y as 1. If we take y value as 2, then we get x value as 2, then we get y value as 0. Okay. So your coordinate is 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0. Okay. Give the name to this coordinate. I am giving the name here A, B, C. This point name is A, this point name is B, this point name is C. Without name you can solve. There is no need to give name. If you want, then it's easy. Okay. This point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Draw one more box here if you want to give the name. Otherwise it's okay. Okay. This is the first equation. I solve here the first equation. Now solve second equation. Now the second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 0. So x value we choose ourselves and y value we are going to find. So arrange this equation in the form of y variable. So minus y is equal to 1 minus 3x. Okay. So y is equal to minus 1 plus 3x. Okay. By multiplying with minus sign, then you get y is equal to minus 1 plus 3x. Now again solve this equation. We are taking x value by own. I am giving here the name to these points P, Q and R. Okay. So this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is x and y coordinate. Okay. Now here I am taking x values again 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now see here y is equal to minus 1 plus 3. I am taking x as 0. Then 3 zeros are 0. Then your answer is minus 1. Okay. If you take x 0, then y you get minus 1. So your first coordinate is 0 minus 1. ए कल ना मैं यहाँ लेक्चर बना रही हूँ, फिर भाग रहे हो तुम लोग। Now the second, y is equal to minus 1 plus 3. I am taking x as 1. Then 3 ones are 3. So minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. So you get 2. So your next coordinate is 1, 2. Now the third one is y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So your answer is 5. So your coordinate of point R is 2, 5. Okay. Here we solve second equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. Now the third equation, 2x plus y is equal to 1. Third equation, 2x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. So arrange this equation again in the form of y variable. So y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Now draw the table. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, and x and y coordinate. I am taking your name L, M, N. So draw one more box here. L, M, N. So x coordinate I am choosing 0, 1, 2. Now substitute the value of x coordinate and find y. So y is equal to 1 minus 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. Then your answer is 1. Okay. So your first answer is first coordinate. That means coordinate of L is 0, 1. Now next is y is equal to 1 minus 2 into x value is 1. Okay. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1. So your coordinate of M point is 1 minus 1. Okay. Now the third one is y is equal to 1 minus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3. 2 minus 3. Coordinate of point N is 2 minus 3. Got it? So let's start the plotting of the graph of these equations. First draw the coordinate system. This is the coordinate system. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Okay, x axis, y axis. Okay, so let's start. First one is this, x plus y is equal to 2. We get the solution. X and y coordinate as first is 0, 2. 0, 2. X coordinate is 0. That means point lies on y axis. So on y axis the 2 is here. Okay. This is your point A. Okay. Now the next point is 1, 1. Your B coordinate is 1 and 1. That means this point is lies in first quadrant. So first quadrant 1, 1 is here. So this is your point B. Now the point C, 2, 0. 2, 0. Here y coordinate is 0. That means this point is lies on x axis. So on x axis 2 is here. This is your point C. Now join these 3 points. Okay. So this line is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 2. Okay. Now the second one. Second equation 3x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. So first point you get 0 minus 1. X coordinate is 0, that means this point lies on y axis. On y axis minus 1 is here. Name of this point is P. Okay. Now the second point is 1, 2. This point lies in first quadrant. So in first quadrant 1, 2. Okay. The name of this point is Q. Next is 2, 5. 2, x 2, y 5. This point is lies in again first quadrant 2, 5. This is point R. P, Q, R. Now join them. Join point P, Q, R. This is the graph of equation. Write the name of equation. 3x minus y is equal to 1. Got it? Now the next, third one. Here, first point L is 0, 1. X coordinate is 0. That means point lies on y axis. So on y axis 1 is here. Okay. Now 1 minus 1. The name of this point is L. 1 minus 1. This point lies in fourth quadrant. So 1 minus 1 on fourth quadrant. The point name is M. Now 2 minus 3 again lies in fourth quadrant. 2 minus 3. Okay. Now this is point N. Now join these 3 point element. Then you get the graph of third equation. Okay. This line is the graph of equation 1 minus 2x. 1 minus this. Sorry. Extend this line. This line is the graph of equation 2x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. So here you solve question number 9. I hope you got the idea how to plot the graph of one variable equation and the graph of two variable equation. For one variable equation, if the equation in the type of x is equal to a, then it's parallel to y axis. If the equation is the type of equation is y is equal to b, then the equation is parallel to x axis. In two variable, we have to find the value of two variable. To find the value of two variable, you have to choose value of one variable by own. By substituting the value of that variable, then you find the value of another variable. So in this method, then select any three coordinate and plot this three coordinate, join them, then you get the graph of two variable equation. Okay. So here we complete your practice set 7.2. In next lecture, inshallah, we will start lesson number 8. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair.